Hello everyone, and welcome back to Health Options 101. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about health trends, intermittent fasting. We're going to clear up some of the confusion and debunk common myths about this eating pattern. If you've been curious about how intermittent fasting works or if it's right for you, stick around. This video is packed with essential info. Let's start with the basics. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet in the traditional sense. It's an eating pattern where you alternate between eating and fasting periods. The popular methods include the 16/8 approach, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and limit calories onto non-consecutive days. Now, let's tackle the first myth. Intermittent fasting slows your metabolism. Many people believe that fasting can slow down your metabolism, but the truth is quite the opposite. Short-term fasting can actually boost your metabolism. When you fast, your body increases adrenaline production, which can enhance your metabolic rate. Just be cautious and avoid extremely long fasting periods, as balance is key. Next up is the myth that intermittent fasting leads to muscle loss. This is a common concern, but research indicates otherwise. When combined with strength training, intermittent fasting can help preserve and even build muscle. It's crucial, though, to consume enough protein and calories during your eating windows to support muscle repair and growth. Another myth floating around is that intermittent fasting disrupts your hormones. In reality, intermittent fasting can have positive effects on hormone regulation. It can improve insulin sensitivity, which helps in managing blood sugar levels, and balance hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. This can aid in weight management and overall health, making intermittent fasting a viable option for many. Finally, let's address the belief that intermittent fasting isn't sustainable. Many people actually find intermittent fasting quite manageable because it simplifies meal planning and reduces the need for constant snacking. It's a flexible approach that can be tailored to fit various lifestyles and personal preferences, making it easier to stick with in the long run. So, there you have it. Intermittent fasting myths debunked and facts laid out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Options 101, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We're here to help you make informed decisions about your health and wellness. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.